Hello there, teacher and classmates. My name is Jonathan Wanaga, and I will talk to you about descriptive, linguistic, and other facts about historical and comparative linguistics. Okay, now to begin with, descriptive linguistics is a subfield and of linguistics which, as its name suggests, focuses on the description of the words languages. Okay. It can also be said to study how the different languages of the world are structured. Okay. Now, historical linguistic is nothing more than the study of the process of linguistic change, the relationships between languages and how to classify them. Okay. And it could be said that comparative linguistics is a branch of this historical linguistic science. It deals with the comparison of languages, okay, in order to establish some historical relationships. Mm, Now that we know this, let's take at some facts about his languages field, okay? Whether descriptive, historical, or comparative. Let's start by talking about the related languages, okay? Which are nothing more two languages that have common origin, such as Spanish, Italian, or Portuguese, or English, German, and Dutch, as well as the family of languages, which are nothing more than a set of languages derived from the same parent languages. Mhm. An example of this is that the languages derived from Latin are Roman languages, okay? Um, Such as Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, and French. Will the target languages such as English, German, okay, Dutch, and Norwegian belong to Germanic languages, okay? In the table, we can see some difference in the words coming from Romance and Germanic languages, okay? For example, in English and German. Okay, well, always languages always some come from somewhere, and to demonstrate this we will use model of general genealogical tree illustrated by German named August Schneider. This genealogical tree created by its author August Schleicher is a model that assumes genetic relationships between the languages of a language's family. The relationships consist in the fact that mm, the languages of the family derive from a common ancestor or proto-language, its origin language. Okay. Now, in this tree, we could see that the ancient languages of all is the Sanskrit, origin originally from India. Okay, it is the oldest languages recorded in all the Indo-European languages, and its relationships with other languages can be noticing similarities with other languages European vocabulary, sounds, and grammar. Okay, prove that there are links between these ancient languages and the Indo-Europeans. Is that when using comparative linguistic, more systematic similarities are found than comparison per se. It could be said that in Sanskrit contributed to establish links between languages. Science, it is the mother of all languages, for example. Okay. To finish, we will tell to you about dead and extinct languages. These languages are nothing more than languages that stopped being spoken because they could no longer be acquired in a natural way as each of us do. Eh, okay. These languages cannot be the mother tongue and any other languages. An example of this the Latin. Will the extinct languages are languages that disappeared, but serve as a mother languages to other languages, such as Sanskrit. Okay. As a last contribution, let's look at contemporary languages and their number of speakers today. My reference. Thank you, guys. Thank you, teacher.